Have you ever visited a zoo?
What's your favorite animal?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at the zoo.
You'll learn useful English expressions for buying tickets, talking about animals, asking questions, and enjoying a day at the zoo.
Let's get started. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful day for visiting the zoo.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first visit.
Really?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Me too. I love seeing animals.
What's your favorite animal?
I love elephants.
They're amazing.
What about you?
I like giraffes because they're so tall.
Let's go inside.
I can't wait.
Good morning. Welcome to the zoo. Good morning. How many tickets would you like?
2 adult tickets, please.
Certainly. How much are they? They are $15 each.
Okay,
Here's $30.
thank you.
Do you have a zoo map?
Yes,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
What time does the zoo close?
It closes at 6 p.m.
Great. We have plenty of time.
Let's look at the map.
Good idea.
There are so many animals here.
Yes.
I see lions, tigers, bears, monkeys, elephants, giraffes, penguins, and zebras.
There's also an aquarium.
Really?
Yes. We should visit it later.
Which animals should we see first?
How about the elephants?
Perfect.
After that, we can visit the giraffes.
Sounds like a great plan.
Let's start our adventure. Wow, look at those elephants.
They're huge.
They look very friendly.
One elephant is eating leaves.
The baby elephant is so cute.
I love watching them.
Did you know elephants have excellent memories?
Really?
Yes.
That's interesting.
Look, one elephant is spraying water.
That's funny.
Everyone is taking pictures.
Can you take a picture of me?
Of course.
Thank you.
Smile.
How does it look?
It looks great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm having such a wonderful time.
Me too.
Let's continue to the giraffes next. Here we are. The giraffes are over there.
Wow, they're even taller than I imagined.
Look at their long necks.
They're beautiful animals.
One giraffe is eating leaves from a tall tree.
It doesn't even need a ladder.
That's true.
How tall can a giraffe grow?
Some giraffes can grow over 5 meters tall.
That's incredible.
They also have very long tongues.
Really?
Yes, they use them to pull leaves from trees.
Nature is amazing.
Would you like to take another picture?
Yes, please.
Smile.
Thank you.
Let's visit the monkeys next.
I can already hear them.
They're very active today.
Look, that monkey is climbing the tree.
And another one is swinging from a rope.
They're so funny.
The little monkey is playing with its mother.
That's adorable.
Do you like monkeys?
Yes, they're clever and playful.
I agree.
Oh, one monkey just waved at us.
Maybe it's saying hello.
Hello, little monkey.
This is my favorite part of the zoo so far.
Mine too.
Now let's visit the lions.
I'm excited.
There they are.
Wow, the male lion has a beautiful mane.
He looks very strong.
He's resting in the shade.
The lioness is walking slowly.
She looks graceful.
Listen.
Was that a lion's roar?
Yes, it was very loud.
That surprised me.
Me too. I'm glad there's a strong fence.
Me too.
Lions are powerful animals.
Yes, they truly are.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Let's have lunch at the zoo cafe.
Great idea.
What would you like to eat? I'd like a chicken sandwich and some orange juice.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I'll have a cheeseburger, French fries, and a bottle of water.
Perfect. Hello, may I take your order?
Yes, please.
1 chicken sandwich, 1 cheeseburger, French fries, 1 orange juice, and 1 bottle of water.
Certainly.
How much is it?
It's $22.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your food will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you. Let's find a table by the window.
Good idea. We can watch the birds while we eat.
Today has been so much fun.
Yes, and we still have many animals to see after lunch.
I can't wait. Look, we're at the penguin area.
They're so cute.
Most of them are swimming,
They're very fast in the water.
but they walk so slowly on land.
They look funny when they waddle.
That little penguin is following its mother.
It's adorable.
Do penguins fly?
No, they don't.
That's right. They are excellent swimmers.
I could watch them all day.
Me too. Let's take one last picture.
Good idea.
Now we're at the zebra enclosure.
Their black and white stripes are beautiful.
Each zebra has a different stripe pattern.
Really?
Yes, just like fingerprints.
That's amazing.
Look, they're running together.
They're graceful.
Let's visit the bears next.
Sure.
That brown bear looks huge.
He's looking for food.
Oh, he's standing on two legs.
Wow, he's very tall.
The bears are interesting to watch.
Yes, they are.
Before we leave, let's visit the gift shop.
Great idea.
There are so many souvenirs.
Look at those stuffed animals.
The baby elephant is so cute.
I think I'll buy one.
I'm buying a penguin keychain.
That's a nice choice.
Hello, did you find everything you wanted?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $18.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
These souvenirs will remind us of today.
Absolutely.
I had such a wonderful time.
Me too.
What was your favorite animal?
I loved the giraffes the most.
Mine were the elephants.
We saw so many amazing animals today.
Yes, and we learned many new English words too.
That's true.
Would you like to come here again someday?
Of course.
Maybe next spring.
That sounds perfect.
Thanks for spending the day with me.
Thank you too. I had a great time.
Have a safe trip home.
You too.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Great job listening to today's English conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for visiting the zoo.
Remember, practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite animal at the zoo?
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.